The South Caucasus region has long been a hotspot of geopolitical tension. If rising tensions in this region ever escalated into a direct military conflict, one question would dominate the conversation: which military would have the upper hand on the battlefield? On one side stands Iran, a major military power in the Middle East. On the other is Azerbaijan, a country that has rapidly modernized its military and gained significant combat experience in recent years. So in 2026, how do these two nations compare in terms of military strength? According to the widely recognized defense database Global Firepower, Iran ranks among the top military powers in the world, typically placed within the top 20. Azerbaijan, while smaller, is still considered a significant military force in the South Caucasus region and generally ranks around the 60th position globally. Next, we examine defense spending. Iran's annual defense budget is estimated to be between 15 and 25 billion US dollars, reflecting the country's focus on missile development, drone technology, and regional deterrence capabilities. In comparison, Azerbaijan's defense budget is estimated at around 3 to 4 billion US dollars, though the country has invested heavily in modernizing its military equipment over the past decade. When it comes to manpower, Iran holds a clear advantage. Iran has approximately 960,000 total military personnel, including about 610,000 active-duty troops and nearly 350,000 reserve personnel. Azerbaijan, on the other hand, has around 367,000 total personnel, including roughly 66,000 active-duty soldiers and about 300,000 reservists. Now let's examine land forces. Iran operates more than 1,700 main battle tanks, giving it a large armored capability. Azerbaijan fields roughly 500 tanks, many of which have been modernized with advanced systems. In artillery, Iran possesses hundreds of self-propelled artillery systems, over 2,000 towed artillery pieces, and more than 1,000 rocket launch systems, but in smaller numbers compared to Iran. Air power is another important factor in modern warfare. Iran operates approximately 640 military aircraft, including fighters, attack aircraft, and helicopters. Among its notable aircraft are the F-14 Tomcat, the Mi-29, and the Sukhoi Su-25. Azerbaijan's air force is smaller, with roughly 150 military aircraft, including Mi-29 fighter jets and Su-25 ground attack aircraft, but many of these systems have undergone modernization. Perhaps the most significant area of comparison is missile capability. Iran possesses one of the largest missile arsenals in the Middle East. Analysts estimate that Iran has thousands of ballistic and cruise missiles. Some of the most notable systems include the Fateh 110, Shahab 3, Sejil, and Khorramshahr missiles, with ranges that can reach thousands of kilometers. Azerbaijan, by contrast, operates fewer missiles, but has acquired several advanced systems. These include the Lora ballistic missile system and the Polonez multiple launch rocket system, both capable of delivering precision strikes. Another key aspect of modern warfare is drone technology. Iran has significantly expanded its drone program in recent years. Its most well-known unmanned systems include the Shahed 136, Shahed 129, and Mohajer 6, and analysts believe Iran possesses hundreds, possibly thousands, of drones. Meanwhile, Azerbaijan has gained international attention for its effective use of drones, particularly during the Nagorno-Karabakh conflict. The Azerbaijani military operates advanced drones such as the Bayraktar TB2, Harop loitering munition, and orbiter UAV, which have proven highly effective on the battlefield. Looking at the overall picture, Iran has the advantage in military size, missile capability, and total equipment numbers. However, Azerbaijan has invested heavily in modern technology, advanced drone warfare, and recent combat experience. So if these two countries ever faced each other in a direct conflict, the outcome would depend not only on numbers, but also on strategy, technology, and battlefield conditions. And that leaves one final question. If Iran and Azerbaijan were to face each other in 2026,